Our next mission is to see the Parliament House. So we are actually on Bourke Street. So we'll head right down to Bourke Street, and from there we should arrive at the Parliament House. So it's straight ahead. So it's a Monday afternoon. It's around 5 o'clock, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of people. We are heading to the Parliament House. Actually, I came up the wrong way. I should go down Swanston Street and then I'll head up Russell Street again. So we're heading up Swanston Street.
And spying something curious across the plane.
And we're heading up Russell Street. And the Parliament House is on that side. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going down Bourke Street. I got distracted and I went over to QV Shopping Mall. So now I'm heading over to Bourke Street and we'll follow Bourke Street right up to the Parliament House. It's around 6 o'clock, past 6, Monday afternoon here in Melbourne. We can cross now. Long stay. That wasn't right. This is Russell Street, but this is Lonsdale Street. We are heading towards Parliament House. We are on Bourke Street. We just passed Russell Street and we'll reach Exhibition Street, and then after that we should arrive at the Parliament House. So let's continue. So we are now on Exhibition Street. This is Exhibition Street. So we'll go right ahead and we should arrive at the Parliament House right ahead. And I can see the Parliament House straight ahead. Parliament House is straight ahead. We found it. coming back, I'll try to catch one of the free trams there. That's in the free tram zone, so I'll catch one of that free tram back into Bourke Street. That's the Parliament House. We found the Parliament House.
You can't live off
It's on Spring Street. Walking towards the Parliament House. This is the Parliament of Victoria. So Bourke Street is down there, that's where we came up. And right at the end of Bourke Street is the Parliament House. And look at that, what's that? The Hotel Windsor. That one there. Parliament House of Victoria. And then to go back, you have a lot of free trams here. There's a free tram there. Free tram there, it goes around. So we can try catch that free tram. And we'll go right down to Bourke Street. And there you go, Parliament House of Victoria. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, the Abu flag up there. Bourke Street. Door. Melbourne is a beautiful city. It's around 6:30 going up 7. Still daylight. And that's it for now. We found Victoria Parliament House.